So got a ARB 63mm tube bar, front bar and side rails, running the illuminator, 9-inch illuminator lights, GME aerial with a knockdown bracket. Been remapped by G&L, so it's 230 horsepower at the rear wheels. Yeah, love it. Suspension, pretty well full Fox suspension, 4-inch remote res with Dobinson coils and 300 kilo rear leafs. Tyres are a 35-inch MTZ Mickey Thompson P3, and the rims are a Method race wheel. They're a 17-inch wheel, and the Mesh, I think the brand is, the model. The interior, a lot of it was done by cruiser consoles. The roof consoles, full cruiser console T-piece, absolutely love that, good for storage. And the center consoles also, cruiser console, center console. And yeah, just gives you those cup holders that don't come with. Mirrors are done by BAW Automotive. Love them clear views. Yeah, can't fault them. Tray setup was done by Buffalo equipped at Yandina. Love it. It's pretty much exactly what I wanted. Exhaust is a 3-inch straight through from Beaudesert exhausts. Stainless, yeah. It's a Safari AirTech snorkel. Full alpine system. Type R's in the doors, and then amp and sub behind the seats with a 8-inch display. BAW Automotive, Race Automotive and Sound down at Slacks Creek, and ARB Maroochydore. Yeah, like, share and subscribe to Oz 4x4 Sales. Cheers.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do. Don't let it go. Chasing a dream.